From Indonesia's own Mother Nature, its seawater, and through perfectly natural process, the salt produced by PT Garam Persero becomes the finest salt product on the face of the earth. Sea salt is not only essential for human everyday consumption, but also an important component in the production process of different industries, from chemical industry, pulp and paper, pharmaceutical industry and beauty products, to textile, food products, fish salting, livestock feed, tanneries, soap and detergent. It's even used in the drilling process of petroleum. In 2018, the national salt demand is approximately 4.5 million tons, which consists of 700,000 tons of household consumption and 3.8 million tons of industrial needs. However, the national production in 2018 is estimated at 2.4 million tons, with 2 million tons coming from salt farmers and 400,000 tons from the production of PT Garam Persero. Therefore, to meet the national demands, there's still a deficit of 2.1 million tons. This is a great challenge for salt manufacturers, especially from PT Garam Persero, to be able to achieve a common goal, that is, national self-sufficiency in salt. It was the farming of traditional salt fields in 1921 that marked the beginning of Indonesian salt industry development. Until today, it is one of the industrial fields that provides sustenance to many people throughout Indonesia. This is the result of demand level and activity structures that go along with the existence of salt industry. In 1991, the government established PT Garam Persero as the only state-owned enterprise that operates in the field of salt manufacture and trade. The appointment was based on Government Regulation Number 12, year 1991, on the status change from public corporation to limited company. In 2003, in line with Government Regulation Number 41, year 2003, PT Garam Persero, along with other state-owned enterprises, joined under the management of the Ministry of State-Owned Enterprises and became the only enterprise that runs salt manufacture and trade. Currently, the administrative center and head office of PT Garam Persero are located at Arif Rahman Hakim Street, number 93, Surabaya. PT Garam Persero has a vision to become a world-class salt company. Furthermore, here are the missions that PT Garam Persero undertakes. As the producer of salt as raw materials and its byproducts and world-class processed salt to fulfill the national demand, committed to continuously maintain product supply, to ensure the satisfaction of customers and stakeholders. PT Garam Persero also has a set of company values SIIP: Synergy, Integrity, Innovative, and Professionalism.
PT Garam Persero bertekad meningkatkan kinerja dan produktivitas sumber daya manusia agar dapat tetap konsisten, menjaga terjaminnya ketersediaan garam dan mutu untuk mewujudkan swasembada garam nasional.
Currently, PT Garam Persero owns about 5,929 hectares of salt works, 4,636 hectares of productive land, and 1,293 hectares of non-productive land that are managed into several units of salt works. Sumeneb 1 Salt Field, with an area of 2,073 hectares, 1,528 hectares is productive, and 545 hectares is non-productive. and a production target of 172,500 tons. Sumeneb 2 Gersik Putih Salt Field, with an area of 1,048 hectares, 533 hectares is productive and 516 hectares is non-productive, and a production target of 45,000 tons. Sumeneb 3 Nembakor Salt Field, with an area of 470 hectares, 361 hectares is productive and 56 hectares is non-productive, and a production target of 15,000 tons. Pamekasan Salt Field, with an area of 1,064 hectares, 839 hectares is productive and 225 hectares is non-productive, and a production target 95,000 tons. Sampang Salt Field, with an area of 1,295 hectares, 1,084 hectares is productive and 211 hectares is non-productive, and a production target of 82,500 tons. Bipolo Salt Field in Nusa Tenggara Timur, with an area of 304 hectares, 291 hectares is productive and 13 hectares is non-productive, and a production target of 20,000 tons. Process salt plant with the capacity of 5 tons per hour in Gersik Segoromadu. Process salt plant with the capacity of 10 tons per hour in Camplong Sampang Madura is in the construction process. For upcoming development, the salt production for raw material from PT Garam Persero will persistently be increased to reach 600,000 tons. At the moment, PT Garam Persero is constantly improving itself to prepare for salt industrial era. In the near future, PT Garam Persero plans to establish process salt plants with total capacity of 300,000 tons per year. To market its produced goods in form of raw salt material or processed salt, PT Garam Persero has set up distribution chain networks that spread across 12 provinces in Indonesia, such as North Sumatra, West Sumatra, South Sumatra, Island of Riau, Java, West Kalimantan, East Kalimantan, Bali, and all throughout Sulawesi. The product distribution success of PT Garam Persero is largely supported by 168 company-owned warehouses and 2 special terminal ports. Several awards has been presented to PT Garam Persero for its performance achievement and as the result of hard work contributed by all personnel of PT Garam Persero, among others. Top 6 popular SOE in processing sector, processing industry category. Exceptional mark for financial performance throughout 2016. Best Partnership Program and Community Development in processing industry category. Throughout 2018, PT Garam Persero has shown a concern for the surroundings by giving more than 1 billion rupiahs in fund to community development for the following allocations: setting up mini library Balai Pustaka in Bipolo, renovation of mini library and providing water tank in Bipolo, refurbishment of rural roads in Gersik Putih and water tank in Sumeneb, donation to Pondok Pesantren Darut Taqwa Ngembeh Delangu Mojokerto, donation for earthquake victims at Batu Putih and Sepudi in Sumeneb Regency, donation of 6,000 packages of daily living in Ramadan, and donation to Al Ikhlas Mosque at PT Garam Kaliangat Sumeneb. All throughout 2018, PT Garam Persero has given more than 700 million rupiahs in fund for corporate social responsibility activities to be allocated for fund support payment for the organization of seminar SRT number 127, reimbursement payment for community development in Madura, the giving of fund for PT Garam's corporate social responsibility, and fund support payment for the organization of Transformational Seminar 01 2018. Based on the state's vision and mission, PT Garam Persero is determined to improve its performance and human resource productivity to consistently ensure the availability of national salt supply and continuously strive to achieve national food sovereignty.